Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix CPU spikes in Roblox. This guide will help reduce high CPU usage and improve your game performance. First, completely close Roblox. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. Once that is done, if you find any instances of Roblox here, just right-click on it and select End Task. Once done, press the Windows and R keys on your keyboard. Open the Run tab, and in the Run tab, just type %local app data % and click OK. Now in this folder, look for the Temp folder. You can also use the search bar. Just type Temp and go inside the folder. Press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, then press Shift and Delete. Click Yes when prompted, and wait for the deletion to complete. You can select Do this for all items and click Skip. Once done, go ahead and close this window. Again, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Now in the Run tab, type services.msc and click OK. Now in the Services window, find SysMain. Scroll down and you will see SysMain. Double-click on it. Then first, choose to stop it. After you have done that, click on the drop-down for Startup Type and make sure it is set to Disabled. Click Apply, then click OK. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Do the same process for it. Make sure it is stopped, then click on the Startup Type and make sure it is disabled. Click Apply, then click OK. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run tab, type regedit. Now in the Registry Editor, expand HKI_lowL_machine, then expand System. From here, find Current Control Set and expand it. Expand Control. Under Control, find Session Manager, expand it and find Memory Management. Click on Memory Management. Now you will see Clear Page File at Shutdown. Double-click on it and set the value data to 1, then click OK. Once done, go to Google Chrome and click on the 3 dots. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure browsing data is toggled off, then click Delete Data once done. Let's go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Make sure to run command prompt as an administrator. Now type sfc/scan now and hit Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your system. Once everything is done, restart your computer. After restarting, launch Roblox and check your performance. Your CPU usage should now be more stable with fewer spikes. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our next DelftStack tutorial video.